Hi guys! And welcome to my YouTube channel. Ngayon, mag-a-unbox tayo ng Huawei Nova 7 SE. So, ito yung box niya. Huawei Nova 7 SE. Ang napili nating color is Space Silver. Bago tayo mag-unbox, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell button to keep you updated on my latest video. Start na tayo mag-unbox. Okay, sa loob, merong isang phone with built-in camera. Merong isang protective case. Merong isang quick start guide. Isang warranty card, tsaka isang eject tool. Yung eject tool niya. Merong charger. Merong earphones. And merong isang Type-C cable. So, ayan lahat yung nasa loob ng Huawei Nova 7 SE. So, ngayon, sasabihin ko naman yung specs ng Huawei Nova 7 SE. So, tanggalin ko na siya sa plastic. So, ito yung phone. Ito siya. Yung width niya is 75 mm. Yung height niya is 162.31. And yung depth niya is 8.58 mm. Yung color niya, meron siyang tatlong color. Merong Space Silver, Crush Green, and Midsummer Purple. So, ang napili natin is Space Silver. So, yung display niya is 6.5 inches. And yung color niya, meron siyang 16.7 million colors. And yung resolution niya is 2,400 by 1,080. Ang processor ng Huawei Nova 7 SE is Huawei Kirin 820. CPU niya is Octa core processor, GPU 6 core, and NPU 1 big core. Yung operating system niya is EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. Yung memory niya, meron siyang 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Due to limitation in CPU processing power, memory used with the operating system, and pre-installed applications, the actual space available to users may be less than the stated memory capacity. The actual memory space may change due to application updates, user operations, and other related factors. So, yung external memory support niya, meron siyang SD card up to 256 gigabytes. And next is yung camera niya. So, ito na yung camera niya. Ang camera niya, meron siyang quad camera. Ito. So, yung dito niya, sa dulo, 2 megapixel macro camera. And next is yung dito, 2 megapixel bokeh camera. Ito naman is 64 megapixel. Meron wide siya, wide. And meron siyang face detection autofocus main camera. And yung dito naman, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. So, meron silang autofocus, face focus, and contra focus. And next is yung front camera niya. Ito yung front camera niya. Meron siyang 16 megapixel and LED flash, panorama, and meron siyang high dynamic range. And yung video niya is 4K to 1080. And maganda yung video niya kasi dual view yung video nito. And next is yung battery niya, meron siyang 4,000 milliamp. And yung charging niya is fast charging siya, 40 watts. And may reverse charging to 5 watts. Yung network naman nito is, network technology niya is global system, code division multiple access, LTE, and 5G siya. So, maganda yung network technology niya. And dual SIM. Yung connectivity niya, merong Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, ear jack, and PC data synchronizations. Yung sensor naman niya, marami siyang sensor. Meron siyang proximate sensor, compass, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, and yung fingerprint sensor. Yung fingerprint sensor niya is dito. Sa gilid siya. Sa gilid. Yan. Fingerprint sensor. And next yung audio niya, merong MP3, MP4. Video niya is MP4. So, yon. So, maganda talaga tong phone na to kasi marami siyang magagandang specs, lalo na yung camera niya kasi quad-core yung camera niya and yung video niya is dual focus. And, mabibili nyo na to ng mura na 5G pa, tsaka maganda yung camera. And, yun yung specs nung Huawei Nova 7 SE. Thank you for watching! See you on my next video! Bye guys!